Hello, this is Jared from Jaguar Land Rover North Scottsdale. Today we're going to be talking about how to set the memory seats for both the driver and passenger seats. Today we're in a 2018 Range Rover Sport. The seat controls for the Sport are going to be located down on the left side of the driver's seat. Adjust the seat to your liking, both forward, back, up, down, and the lumbar support. Next we are going to move on to the memory mirrors. The memory mirror controls are located here. Press either the left or right mirror to control it. Last but not least, we have our adjustable steering column. If your steering column is not moving when you adjust it, twist the knob to the right to put it in manual mode. Once both the seats, mirrors, and steering column are in the correct position, we're going to go over to the door panel. Press the button labeled M to select memory, then press a number to correspond with which seat you would like. That is how you adjust the seats, the mirrors, and the steering column. Thank you for watching.